Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today we're starting a new tutorial. How to download an app on Toshiba Fire TV. Press Home to access the home screen. Scroll to Apps. Scroll to Appstore, then press Select. Scroll to the desired app, then press Select. Press Select to download the app. Press Select. The app will download and install. Press Select to open the app. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.